I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This is a keyed version with the remote key. There's our key. We're going to be doing a spare key. And when you do these, make sure to verify the remote pod FCC ID inside, because there's a 3-button and a 4-button version of this, and they can use 4 different pod numbers. So make sure you got what you need before you start. Alright, we're going to turn the key on. Toyota. Go to Highlander. Key coding. All the way up to 19. And sometimes you'll see Smart Key 4. It's going to be the same as the previous year. They haven't changed in a few years. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pick a 15 here. So we need to add the key remote version to the newer years. It's the same thing. Alright, let's do the remote first. Ignition's on. Here's my new key. The other one's in the ignition. We're just going to program a remote. Press lock and unlock. There's our beep. Remote is programmed. Now, we're going to back out. Go to immobilizer number 3. Turn the ignition on. Program a key. Yes. Take the key out and remove it. Same key to the on position. That's the original. Okay, take the key out. Then we're going to take this key here and insert it. Leave it off. Hit OK. Then we'll have a 45-second wait period. And your security light is right there above the left-hand side of the radio. And if you can't find the key version or the remote on your screen, as I showed in the beginning, just back out to a previous year that uses the compatible protocols. These will get added to the menus, no problem though. Alright, we're getting to the tail end here. Let's go ahead and look at the light here, and it should go out in just a few seconds. There it is, it's out. Programming complete. Take the key out. Light should start blinking as soon as you take the key out. Stick your key back in. Light is out. That means that key is programmed. You turn it on. Vehicle starts. Take it out. We'll try our remote. All works fine. We are done.